Hello again and welcome to our channel. Today I will make something you want to eat very fast if you don't have so much time. We don't need many ingredients. Please subscribe and press the notification button. Let's get started. Today we're gonna make pasta with tuna. And now our ingredients were pasta. You can tuna in water, not in oil, chopped tomatoes, salt, pepper, onion, and some spicy peppers. Tuna, and we have to get rid of the water, so we open it and then you do just like that, and then the water will come out. Like this, and you let it there. Sauce. You put olive oil, now the oil is hot. Yes, we put the chopped onions inside. And the spicy peppers. I'm taking only 2 and I boil them, or I fry them a little bit with the oil. They become a little bit more spicy. That's why I'm using only 2. We stir it. Not long. That's enough. I put the tomatoes inside. And I add some water. That's okay. I reduce the fire. I put salt. 1 spoon is enough. If you like it more salt, you can add some more salt. Black pepper. So, when the sauce is starting boiling, you see the water is out from the tuna. We add the tuna, just like that. Just put inside. When you put the tuna inside, you make the chunks a little bit smaller. We prepare the water for our pasta. Now the water is boiling, I put the pasta inside. In the water I add some salt, but nothing else. No butter, no oil, no nothing. I don't want that the butter or the oil goes around the pasta, so then the pasta won't take any sauce. It will be the oil covered. So that's why you boil the pasta with water. 8 minutes to have it al dente. Pasta is cooked. We put it through this. I have the sauce on 1. Switch it off. It's boiling a little bit. You see? And now you can add some sauce in the pasta. Like that. And now the pasta is absorbing the sauce. Look at this. It's ready for surfing. So we put some extra sauce. If you like, you can put some grounded pepper fresh. Voila. Buon appetito.